on the Quopi website, and today we are trying to explore the withdrawal process so that other people can know how to make withdrawals effectively in Quopi. This company has performed most creditably in the last 11 months. The company came online in January this year, that is 2023. It's spent 11 months going to 1 year now, which is most remarkable for this type of high-yielding investment program. As most people always say, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm recording my journey along the path. But all I can say is that this has been a very beautiful opportunity. So if you are also interested, my link is right at the bottom in the description. You can sign up for this opportunity. There is now a crypto version of the bot. Initially, there was the stock trading version. Now there's a crypto version. So this crypto version has lasted now a few weeks. And the intention is that by January 4th, it will be thrown open to the entire community. Right now, about 6,000 members are picked to more or less explore this new feature, the crypto trading feature. So this is the performance over the last few days. The stock trading bot, given that it does not trade over the weekend, it last traded on the 24th, which was Friday, and it had a return of 1.37%. Unlike the stock trading bot, the crypto trading bot traded yesterday, which was Sunday, and it actually came up with a return of 3.96%, almost 4%, which is a remarkable return. Let's now go to attempt to make a withdrawal. This is the amount I have currently accrued, and that's about $18. I have 500 staked. Let's look at the amount staked first before we begin the withdrawal process. This is it. I have 500 staked, and I've already made a return of $623 on my stakes. I initially had another 200 staked. That one was for the stock trading bot, but for the crypto trading bot, I have 500 staked. So let's now try and commence the withdrawal process to see how smoothly it always is. The withdrawal hits your wallet mostly within a few seconds, maximum, let's say a minute thereabout. The withdrawal actually has already hit my wallet. What I did was I clicked on manage funds, then I click on withdraw funds. When I did that, next I go down, I indicate the particular currency I want to withdraw, which is the currency with which I brought in my deposit. I then insert the figure. At that time I had $18. I insert it here, and then I go down, insert my 2FA and hit on withdraw. And voila, within a few seconds, maximum a minute, it should hit your wallet. And here actually is the amount, $18 thereabout, which has already hit my Bybit wallet. So it's just as simple as that. To ensure you always see our updates in your subscription timeline, please click on the subscribe button below this video. Once you are subscribed to our channel, you will see a bell button beside the subscription button. Please click on the bell button to ensure you are immediately notified as we upload any video content.